Welcome to the NOMAD Repository Basic Tutorial. The NOMAD Repository has been established to host, organize, and share materials data. It enables confirmatory analysis of materials data, its reuse, and repurposing. Ashmita is a postdoc at the Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science in Kolkata, West Bengal. She is going to upload some calculations she has just finished to the NOMAD repository. She wants to share them with Thomas, a PhD student at the Fritz-Haber-Institut in Berlin, Germany, with whom she has an ongoing collaboration. Data can be uploaded to the NOMAD repository in different ways: via Unix command line tools, via FTP, or by using a Python script. For the upload, Ashmita is using the Python script. A few minutes later, after the upload to the repository has been completed, Ashmita indicates Thomas as co-author of the data. Note that the access to the data is still restricted, but Thomas, being a co-author, has access to it. Ashmita now calls Thomas in Berlin to discuss the data.
Hi Thomas, how are you doing?
Fine, thanks. And you?
I'm doing great. Those calculations on vacancies in class threads have finally finished. I'm going to share them with you so that we can discuss on how to interpret them.
Are you going to send the data via email?
No, I'm going to use the NOMAD repository. I have already shared the calculations with you there. Can you check in your account?
Sure. I see, the shared calculations are already visible in my account.
Okay, then just click the download link corresponding to the entry defects in class threads. Have you unzipped them?
Yes.
Okay, then go to the folder Supercell Convergence.
Okay.
Thomas has now downloaded the data from the repository. The discussion goes on. Further data is shared, and the project eventually leads to a manuscript that is submitted to a peer-reviewed journal. One interesting feature of the NOMAD repository is that it gives access to restricted data to a referee during the peer-reviewing process. At present, Professor Jorge Sofo from the Pennsylvania State University is reviewing the paper that Ashmita and Thomas wrote.
Is this really conversed?
Using the account information received from the journal's editor, the referee is able to anonymously access the calculation in the NOMAD repository and to download them. After checking the raw data, the referee is now convinced that the calculations were performed accurately, and it is thus willing to recommend acceptance of the paper.
Hi Thomas, our paper is now accepted.
Hey, that's great.
We can make the data open access. I'm doing it right now. Can you see it on your screen?
Let me check. Yes, I can see the data is open access now. And great, you have already assigned the DOI of our publication to it.
We have shown how simple it is to upload, share, and download data within the NOMAD repository.